Data science is a toolkit that enables people to make sense of a huge boatload of data. This huge boatload of data is called big data. It is data on a massive scale, usually counted in terms of terabytes, petabytes, and upward. These may not be structured in usual forms, such as rows and columns of numbers. It would take a mix of several analytical efforts to make them useful. It enables us to identify patterns and regularities, which we can apply then to various uses, such as in business and academics. A data scientist is a highly quantitatively skilled professional with rigorous training and tenacity to make discoveries in the world of big data, and should be knowledgeable in the tools needed to do so. They are data hackers, analysts, communicators, and advisors, all rolled into one. They are a new breed. They can identify rich data sets, join them, and clean the resulting set. They can make use of the various data science tools to process big data. They can also effectively communicate these findings to various stakeholders and explain their implications to the fields that they are in. Data scientists are usually formally trained in computer science, math, statistics, and economics, and can emerge from any field that has a strong data and computational focus. The term data science was coined by DJ Patil, the data and analytics lead of LinkedIn, and Jeff Hammerbacher, analytics lead of Facebook, recently in 2008. The tools that converge this term to are not. They have been in existence for at least 30 years when Peter Naur coined the term datalogy and computer science. Computer science, he says, is the science of the nature and use of data. The usefulness of data science have been typically demonstrated in Netflix, for example, where their business model of entertainment streaming service is augmented by their matching of subscribers to movies that they most probably will watch, given their previous rating, history, and viewing. I would like to cite the use of data science in the world of academic health research and publication. When researchers submit their papers for publication to a journal, the editors often have to manually check whether the paper is in standard format. There are now programs being developed utilizing AI and machine learning to streamline this process. There is one called Penelope Research based in UK, which the Manila-based 101 Health Research works with, that is developing this kind of software. This way, researchers can simply upload their paper for checking, for completion, and formatting to comply with journal requirements. A similar example is RobotReviewer, which is very useful to simultaneously screen and check several randomized clinical trials together for inclusion in systematic reviews and meta-analytic kind of papers. Artificial intelligence is the ability of the computer to simulate human intelligence. It means that it should be able to simulate various human faculties such as cognition, decision-making, and adaptation to the environment. This is made possible by algorithms that incorporate various disciplines such as mathematics, statistics, and computer science. This covers a wide range of topics across all various fields that we can apply this concept to, especially in business, academics, and even governance and economics. Machine learning is a subfield of AI. It deals with building systems that can learn from data instead of explicitly programmed instructions. The computer learns by feeding it with various kinds of inputs or training data in order to build its database and decision-making ability. Programmers use statistics to predict certain outcomes given the training data the system is given.